Hello everyone, this is Bindu Swarupa Vemulpalli, a proud graduate from Lakriti Baladi College of Engineering, Mailavaram, from the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. Coming to my academic journey, I was the department topper for the academic year 2023-24 and secured a cash prize of 10,000 rupees for my academic performance. Currently, I was working as an intern at Hypno Solutions Private Limited and I was an ex-intern from NIT Silchar, Assam. Apart from academics, I actually participated in many technical and non-technical fests which was conducted by my college, and I had an opportunity to serve as the secretary for the Prakriti, the environmental club of LBRC, and I am the class representative for 3 years from my second year of BTech to the final year. In addition, I had an opportunity to coordinate for the Saheli, the girls club of LBRC, and I also to be as a technical event coordinator for my department internal club, which is Spirit of AI. And apart from including my academics, I secured some prizes. Some of them are: I received Best Performer Award from my college for my contribution to the Prakriti, the environmental club of LBRC. I secured second position in the brainstorm event which was conducted by our department, and I secured first position in electrocution, and I submitted a research paper in my third year itself. That's all about my academic journey. All these aspects which will help me to improve my technical knowledge and to build to who am I here in front of you, and which will help you to improve my communication skills, leadership skills and all, etc. And coming to my department, which is Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, my department always supported and encouraged me to do all these things in every aspect. I am the person who will be active in extracurricular along with the academics. My department always encouraged me and motivated me to learn, explore, grow beyond classrooms. I would like to thank a special thanks to our beloved HOD, faculty members, friends who helped me throughout this journey. Coming to my hostel, the place where I can proudly say that this is the place where I can found my second home. Our hostel has a good greenery environment, a big playground with both indoor and outdoor game facilities, and a clean and hygienic mess facility, 24/7 internet access, and study house for the both first and second year students, which will help to grow academically. Very supportive and eco-friendly wardens and all. And coming to my college, which is LBRC, which has a good infrastructure, and our college will support students in many aspects. Based on their interest, they will grow both technically and personally. Our college has many active clubs, which is Prakriti, the environmental club of LBRC, Spooty, the literacy club of LBRC, Kruti, the fine arts club of LBRC, Saheli, the girls club of LBRC. In addition, we had a NCC girls wing where the students can actively participate and explore themselves in the college. And we had a library. This is the place where I found peace. This is not the place where I used to study, but this is the place where we had discussions, where we had long conversations, and sometimes this is the place where we sat after bunking the classes also. And our college has also a good canteen facility. Finally, I would like to mention a heartful gratitude and thanks to our college management, principal, vice principal, president for providing students these many opportunities to build their career in a good way. And a special thanks to our beloved HOD, faculty, mentors and my dear friends who helped me in this throughout journey. And a heartfelt thanks to my parents, brother and my family who encouraged me in every aspect and who supported me and who believed in me and who provided education in this college. Once an LBRCN is always an LBRCN only. These 4 years is not about completing a degree. It's all about building me both professionally and personally. And that's all about my college journey. This is Bindu Swarupa Vemulpalli, once again signing off.